नमस्ते बच्चों, गुड मॉर्निंग। हाउ आर यू? आप सब कैसे हो? मुझे लगता है आप छुट्टियों में बहुत एंजॉय कर रहे हो। यू आर एंजॉइंग अ लॉट, इज इट? वेरी गुड। With your enjoyment, we have to do little bit studies also. Last time I came with the magic of all words. This time I am going to tell you the magic about L words. E double L L. This time we will do the magic with L. E double L is L. When we will add B just before it will become bell. B-E double L, bell. I can ring a bell. Let's repeat. B-E double L, bell. I can ring a bell. Next is, if it is E double L L, if we will add F just before it will become fell. F-E double L, fell. Repeat it. F-E double L, fell. You can see the picture. A boy was riding a cycle and he fell down. So we will read it. A boy fell down and hurt his knee. He got hurt in his knee. So we will read the sentence again. A boy fell down and hurt his knee. Next is E double L L. If we will add T just before it will become tell. T-E double L, tell. Let's repeat it. T-A double L, tell. Now you can see the picture. There are two girls. One girl with a pink dress. She tell her name to her friend. So now we will read the sentence. I tell her my name. Let's read it again. I tell her my name. Next is E double L is L. If we will add S just before it will become cell. What it will become? Cell. S-E double L, cell. Now you can see a picture. There is a picture of man who is selling so many fruits. So now we will read the sentence. A man sells fruits. Again, a man sells fruits. Next is E double L is L. If we will add W just before it will become well. What it become? Well. W-E double L, well. The well has water in it. Let's read the sentence again. The well has water in it. Next is E double L is L. If we will add Y just before it will become yell. Y-E double L, yell. Yell means when you shout loudly and nobody likes the shouting. We should not do. It is not a good habit. So you can see a picture, a boy who is yelling, who is shouting very loud. So let's read the sentence now. Do not yell on others. We should always speak softly. Okay? Let's read the sentence again. Do not yell on others. Next is E double L is L. This time we will add sm. How it comes? S-N-M. S-M. Sm. S-M-E double L, smell. And we always smell with our nose. So you can see a picture. A girl is smelling a flower. So we will read it. I can smell with my nose. Let's read it again. I can smell with my nose. So what is the spelling of smell? S-M-E double L, smell. This time we add sm, that is S and M. Next is ELL is L. If we will write sh. Now last time we add S and M, that is sm. This time we are writing sh. And how it comes? SH, sh. How it comes? SH, sh. Okay. Now let's make it shell. SHELL, shell. And you can see a picture of shell. When we go to Goa or any sea coast, we can find shells over there. Whenever you will go with your parents, you just find shells lying there near the coast. So we are going to read the sentence now. The sea shell is pink. What is the color of the shell? Pink. Now let's read it again. The sea shell is pink. Now the next is ELL is L. This time another magic is there. When now we are going to write spur. See, we wrote sm, then sh. Now we are going to write spur. How it comes? SP. Together it comes spur. Okay. So now we will add spur just before L. It will become spell. What it becomes? Spell. Now you will spell after me. Okay. SPELL, spell. Again, SPELL, spell. Now remember this, whenever you are reading any word, first you have to spell it. When you will spell, then you will be able to learn the word and you will be able to read it. So now let's read the sentence. Spell all the words and then write. When you will write all these words in your notebook, at that time first you will spell the word, all whatever you're writing. If you're writing bell, fell, all the words, when you write, first you spell it, then write. Okay, now read the sentence again. Spell all the words and then write. Again, spell all the words and then write. Now see, last time in our word bank, I told you Papa is also having bank, Mama is also having bank. They keep money in their bank, but children always keep words in their bank. This time again we are going to add more words in our bank. You are going to read all the words just after me. Number 1, L. Number 2, bell. Number 3, fell. Number 4, sell. Number 5, tell. Number 6, yell. Number 7, well. Number 8, smell. Number 9, spell. Number 10, shell. Now see, you are very rich. Last time also we had 10 words. This time also we added 10 words in our bank. Now we are rich with 20 new words. See children, you have to learn all these words. Okay? Then only you are going to become very rich. And next time again I will come with more magic and with more new words. And we will add more words in our bank. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.